Kysable Apothecary. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our crew. We're pretty fun over here. We have a lot of fun, I think. So if you like unboxings, and you like BoxyCharm spoilers and product reviews, hit subscribe. Why not? So for today we have the Eye Spa by Kysable Apothecary. And here is what it looks like. This is a pretty heavy box. This is a box of homemade bath and skincare products. And if you guys would like to see what came in my box, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okie dokie. Let's read up on this box and then let's get into it. I'm so excited. So this is, again, the Eye Spa box by Kysable Apothecary, and it is homemade bath and skincare products. The monthly subscription is $47 a month. Boxes ship on the 1st of every month, so be sure to purchase your box before the 20th, which is past as I'm filming this now, but just so you know, if you purchase this box now, then you will be receiving the October box. This currently only ships in the US. We have a code. The code is new box for a special discount when you're checking out. Eye Spa by Kysable Apothecary is a subscription box dedicated to making multi-purpose products that are simple and pure. They will never test on animals, and they will never add anything synthetic or add any inorganic ingredients. That is so awesome to hear. Their ingredients derive from local farmers to wholesale vendors and small independent boutiques to help circulate good business karma. This box sounds so lovely. No preservatives and synthetic fragrances or dyes. Packaged with recyclable materials. Wow, is this box too good to be true? Let's get into it and find out. Okay, they definitely took the time out to make sure that this box was completely sealed. That is awesome. Okay, open. Oh, I missed a spot. Okay. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. You don't get too much of a sneak peek. Yeah. Alrighty. So we got some bubble wrap. And then we got some cards. It smells absolutely delicious in here. Thank you. Kysable Apothecary prides itself on making eco-friendly, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly personal care products with the purest ingredients. Connect with them on Instagram at Kysable Apothecary, and I will definitely link their Instagram down below. Okay, let's hop in. First, I want to show you guys the paper that it was wrapped with. Isn't that cute? And then it says, handmade with love. I love that. Okay. I was trying not to rip it too much. Oh my gosh, look at what's on there. Little rose petals. That is so adorable. I don't think I've ever seen that be done with a subscription box before. Oh, rose petals. They literally smell like roses. Oh my gosh, that is an amazing touch right there. Okay, and then I believe this is all just right here. I'm going to just pick it up out of the box. No, I'm not. Okay, no, I'm not. It ripped. So let's just put everything back. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I want to take this paper out of the way. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I just wanted to show you guys another little sneak peek because that's adorable. Okay, all you get. Now, let's start off with this little guy right here. This is matcha beeswax Kysable Apothecary lotion bar. The ingredients is organic white beeswax, pure cold pressed avocado oil, organic coconut oil, organic matcha powder, organic Damiana herb, peppermint, tea, herb, and essential oil fragrance. How cool is that? I really love that because I do like the homemade organic products, but I still want to know what's going into the product. So having that ingredient list on there is very nice. Ooh, that goes on very smoothly. And it smells amazing. At first I thought it was a deodorant, but that's a very good idea, having this be a lotion that you can just wipe on and go. Nice. So far, so good. And it smells amazing. This whole box smells amazing. Okay, next, this is catching my eye. This is called Milky Moon Bath Potion. Baking soda, ground organic oatmeal, Epsom salt, organic coconut milk powder, and organic essential oils. Look how, that's glass. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hate ruining this, but I might be able to put it back together. I wanted to take off the lid. Oh, okay, I see why they put that paper over top. That makes sense. This little lid came out a little bit and a little bit came out, but that lid definitely kept the cork in there very nicely. This could have been a disaster, but they thought ahead. That is so awesome. That is so nice. Put that in there. Oh my gosh, that'll look so cute in my bathroom. This is an amazing box so far. Okay, I want to put this little string back on there because I thought that was cute. Ta-da! So cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, next, there is this. This is the Stardust Scrub Sugar Potion. And then it has another one of those papers to make sure that it doesn't leak out. So thoughtful. This one, organic coconut sugar, organic coconut oil, organic matcha powder, organic mugwort powder, Epsom salt, organic essential oils. Yay! See, and even this will look super cute out on my counter. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, and then it also came with these little spatulas to dig stuff out of, so you're not just having to like dig your hands in there and stuff. So that's very thoughtful. And then last but not least, we have this one. This is the Milky Mermaid Bath Potion. Baking soda, ground organic oatmeal, French clay, organic matcha powder, Epsom salt, and organic essential oils. Let me take that paper off. How stinking cute is that? Wow. So we got the Milky Mermaid Bath Potion. We have the Milky Moon Bath Potion. Those will look so stinking cute in my bathroom. We have the Stardust Scrub Sugar Potion. How cute. And then we have the Matcha Beeswax Lotion Bar. Wow, that was truly really nice. That was a great experience. All the organic stuff, I absolutely love that. The packaging is just super, super cute and thoughtful. That is all that we have for today for this unboxing. What did you guys think? I can't choose a least and most favorite product out of these. Honestly, I cannot wait to try all of them. Like, I've already tried the lotion stick and I absolutely love it. It warms up and just goes on so smoothly, and it smells so wonderful. So wonderful. That's all I have for you guys today. Please leave a comment down below about what you think about this box, and I will see you guys in our next unboxing. Bye! Oh, I forgot. I love you guys so very much. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye.